India's economy is on rise, or is it? The latest economic survey presented by the Finance Minister highlights some major achievements across different sectors. But do these numbers reflect the reality on the ground? Let's figure it out. Hello and welcome. I'm Tanisha Sharma and we'll be figuring out the facts and figures today. So stay with us till the end of the video. The government claims that India's GDP growth is expected to be 6.5% this year, making it one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. India's GDP was $3.73 trillion last year, and it is expected to reach $4 trillion this year. However, small businesses have reported mixed growth trends. Does this reflect your experience as well? This was about the GDP growth rate. But let me also tell you about the inflation and price rise. Inflation is reportedly under control at 5.4% this year compared to 6.1% last year. Food inflation, however, remains a concern, with pulses and vegetables seeing up price hikes of over 10% in the previous year. Fuel prices have also fluctuated, impacting transportation costs. Have you also noticed a change in your household expenses? Now let me also tell you about the employment and job creation. The survey states that the employment rate in India has increased by 7.2%, creating 8.9 million jobs in the previous year. The IT sector have seen rapid growth, while manufacturing and rural employment still struggle. So if you or someone you know is seeking for a job this year, was it easy or even harder? Let's also talk about FDI and business growth. Foreign direct investment has surged million USD dollars, with major sectors like telecom, infrastructure, and fintech attracting investors. The startup ecosystem in India has witnessed $15 billion in funding, making India the third largest startup hub in the world. So you also are seeing more investments and growth. Let's also talk about the infrastructure development. The government has allocated 10.5 trillion rupees for infrastructure, covering highways, railways, and digital connectivity. 4,000 kilometers of national highways were added this year, and 100 new airports are under construction. Smart city projects are expanding, yet many areas still lack basic infrastructure facilities. Have you noticed improvements in your area? Let's also talk about one of the most important sectors, agriculture and farmers. Agriculture remains the backbone of India. This sector has grown 4.1%. with 3 lakh crore allocated to farmer welfare. PM Kisan has provided 6,000 rupees to farmers every year who are eligible, while irrigation projects are being expanded. Despite this, many farmers struggle with fluctuating crop prices and loan burdens. So if you are in agriculture, do you feel supported? These are all the government claims. Now it's your turn. Let's make this conversation real. Drop your comments below and let's see if these numbers reflect the truth. Do you also see real improvements in your daily life? Let us know. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for such information and insights related to India's economy. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.